In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter specific activities on a record timeline in HubSpot. We'll start right from the beginning so you can follow along with confidence. Open your browser, go to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website, then sign into your account with your usual credentials. If you use multi-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that as well so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, move your mouse over the left sidebar and locate the CRM section. This is where all your core records live. If you don't immediately see CRM, make sure you're in the right account and that your user has access to contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Those are the object types where you'll open an individual record to work from its timeline. Next, choose the area you need: contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, and open a specific record. This brings you to the record view, where the middle of the page shows the activity timeline. This is the running history of emails, calls, notes, meetings, tasks, and other interactions related to that record. It can get busy, which is why filtering helps you focus only on what matters right now. At the top of the timeline, click Filters. This opens your filtering controls. Here, you can narrow what appears on the timeline using options like Contact Owner, Create Date, Last Activity Date, or Lead Status. Think of these as ways to slice the view so you only see activity that matches your current question. For example, if you want to see interactions tied to a particular rep, choose Contact Owner. If you're reviewing recent engagement, set a Last Activity Date range. When you're evaluating newly created records, use Create Date. And if you prioritize by qualification, filter by lead status to see activity associated with a specific stage. As you make selections, the timeline updates instantly. There's no need to refresh. Each click refines what you see in real time. You can combine filters to get even more precise, then adjust or clear them to widen your view again. If the timeline looks empty, double-check your date range or remove one filter at a time to confirm which setting is hiding the activity you expect to see. This streamlined approach keeps your review efficient and consistent, especially during pipeline meetings or handoffs. Use it whenever you need a quick, focused snapshot of what's happened and who's driving the engagement. When you're done, clear your filters to return to the full timeline and continue your work.